Namaskar, IMD welcomes you to this weekly weather discussion. Today is 9th May. If we see last week's summary and last week's synoptic systems, we can say that the activity of heat wave conditions which was prevailing since mid-April over East India and since 22nd April over eastern parts of Peninsular India, which has been abated because of thunderstorm activity over eastern parts of the country on 5th of May and over 6th of May over southeast peninsula of India. And a fresh heat wave conditions developed over western parts of Rajasthan from 8th of May, that is from yesterday. So today highest temperature of the order of 46.2 degrees Celsius reported over Phalodi in West Rajasthan, and heat wave are expected over western parts of Rajasthan during next 2-3 days, and temperature are exceeding 45 degrees Celsius over western parts of Rajasthan. Otherwise, over remaining parts of the country, no significant heat wave conditions likely to prevail during week 1. Kerala, where above normal temperatures are being prevailed, today heat wave conditions are expected over Kerala. Otherwise, no significant heat wave conditions likely to prevail over central parts of the country, eastern parts of the country, and southern India during week 1. And thunderstorm activity which was started from 7th of May over eastern parts of the country and south peninsular India, which is going on mainly over central parts of the country including eastern parts of the Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and over eastern parts of the country mainly Gangetic, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Odisha region. And over northeast India, thunderstorm activity is expected and was reported during past week. We will discuss later. And this is the rainfall scenario which was recorded during last week. So you can see that over northeast parts of the country, eastern parts of the country, central parts of the country, and south peninsular India, rainfall of the order of light to moderate reported during last week, and some heavy rainfall activity also reported over northeast parts of the country, some parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema, which we are going to discuss. So this is the heavy rainfall zone. So last week heavy to very heavy rainfall reported over northeast parts of the country. Heavy rainfall also reported over this eastern parts of the country including Gangetic, West Bengal, and Odisha region on 7th of May. On 8th of May, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu reported heavy rainfall. Heavy rainfall also reported during one day in last week over Kerala. As regards hailstorm activity, which was recorded or reported over northeast Uttar Pradesh, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and Assam and Meghalaya, and gusty winds of the order of 60 to 70 kmph, sometimes 80 to 90 kmph also reported over central parts of the country, south peninsular India, especially Telangana, interior Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Gangetic, West Bengal, and Jharkhand region. So this is the last week's weather. And if we see heat wave conditions, the heat wave was prevailing since mid-April over eastern parts of the country, which was continued to prevail over eastern parts of the country including Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Gangetic, West Bengal, and heat wave continued to prevail over south peninsular India, especially over interior Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu region till 6th of May, and severe heat wave conditions also prevailed over Gangetic, West Bengal, Bihar, some isolated locations of coastal Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu during last weeks. So this is a weekly rainfall which was reported during last week. So we can say that this is a weekly rainfall. So you can see that rainfall above normal rainfall reported over central parts of the country including Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh, and over Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema, and above normal rainfall also reported over Gangetic, West Bengal because of thunderstorm activity during last week, last half of the week. And otherwise over rest parts of the country this rainfall was either normal or below normal category. If we see the seasonal rainfall, so central parts of the country including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and adjoining interior Maharashtra, that is Marathwada, and Gujarat region, above normal rainfall is reported during 1st March to 8th of May. These are the synoptic systems which are prevailing today. So there is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam, eastern Bangladesh, northeast Rajasthan, northwest Rajasthan, Madhya Maharashtra, and there are troughs running from northeast Rajasthan to western Vidarbha, Madhya Maharashtra to south interior Karnataka, east Assam to north Odisha. So these are some of the troughs, and there is a western disturbance roughly over Iran and adjoining region. So under the influence of these synoptic systems, the activity of thunderstorm is expected over central, east and south central India till 12th of May. And this is maximum temperature status reported today. So you can see that temperature more than 45 degrees Celsius are being reported over western parts of the Rajasthan, and order of 42 to 44 degrees Celsius over eastern parts of Rajasthan, western parts of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat region, some isolated locations over interior Maharashtra. And these are temperatures either normal or near normal category, except above normal over western parts of Rajasthan and adjoining some patches of East Rajasthan and over Kerala and South Indian Karnataka. And temperatures are below normal category over eastern parts of the country and adjoining central parts of the country, including Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and some pockets of Uttarakhand, and over Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. And these pockets are temperature are being reported below normal category. And ABC 5 days weather warning. And midday we also discussed that thunderstorm activity is expected to continue over central parts of the country, eastern parts of the country and south central India till 12th of May, and heat wave conditions continue to prevail over western parts of Rajasthan during next 2-3 days. So this is weather warning for next 5 days. And this is the table showing temperature, highest maximum temperature reported during last week. You can see that temperature was above 45 to 45 degrees Celsius, or mainly over Rayalaseema region. And thereafter on 8th of May, temperature exceeds 45 degrees Celsius over western parts of Rajasthan at Barmer, and today on 9th of May, 46.2 degrees Celsius reported over Phalodi in West Rajasthan. Now we will discuss weather warning and forecast for next 2 weeks. So you can see that rainfall is expected to continue over northeast parts of the country, eastern parts of the country, South Chhattisgarh, South Odisha, North Coastal Andhra Pradesh, and over Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka region during first week. And rainfall also likely to continue over western region, including Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. And temperature and rainfall is likely to be above normal over south central India, where these blue patches are shown, and over eastern parts of the country. And below normal rainfall is expected over northeast parts of the country, western Himalayan region. And these pockets are expected either dry weather or below normal or normal rainfall during second half of the first week. So this is week 1 forecast, and this is week 2. Again, rainfall likely to continue over northeast parts of the country, eastern parts of the country, western region, and over south central India, especially Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka region. And these are likely to be above normal over south central India, some patches of Sikkim and adjoining areas of northeast India. Otherwise, rainfall likely to be normal to below normal category over most parts of the country, as shown here during week 2. If we see the maximum temperature forecast, so you can see from this map how most parts of the country during week 1 temperature are likely to be below normal or normal category, except along the west coast and over western parts of the Rajasthan, adjoining Punjab and Haryana region. And heat wave conditions accordingly likely to continue to prevail over western parts of the Rajasthan during first half of the week. Otherwise, no significant heat wave conditions likely to prevail over rest parts of the country, which is depicted from this figure. If we see week 2 conditions, so temperature likely to continue to exceed 45 degrees Celsius, around 45 degrees Celsius over western parts of the Rajasthan, and in the range of 42 to 44 degrees Celsius over southwest Uttar Pradesh and north Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha and interior Odisha during week 2. And however, significant heat wave conditions are not expected over any parts of the country. However, temperature are likely to be above normal along the west coast and along the east coast, especially north coastal Andhra Pradesh and coastal Odisha. And temperature are also likely to be above normal over Odisha, especially interior Odisha, North Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, North Uttar Pradesh and Northeast India. So this is the maximum temperature outlook for next 2 weeks. Now we will discuss about the cyclogenesis formation. So during week 1 there is no probability of formation of any cyclogenesis. Cyclogenesis means depression and or more intense system. So only week 2 some probability is low probability is expected to formation of a depression over southeast Bay of Bengal. So this is outlook for next 2 weeks over North Indian Ocean. So this we discuss last week's weather. which was mainly heat wave condition during first half of the week, and thunderstorm activity, hailstorm, gusty wind, heavy rainfall during second half of the week over different parts of the country. As far as the forecast is concerned, so the rainfall is likely to continue isolated to scattered rainfall. Light to moderate rainfall is expected to continue over east parts of the country, including Bihar, Gangetic West Bengal, Somaliland West Bengal, Sikkim, northeast parts of the country, including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and south central India, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu region. So this is and also rainfall is likely to receive over western region, especially Uttarakhand during first week. And as far as heat wave conditions are concerned, so heat wave are likely to continue over western parts of the Rajasthan during next 2 days, first half of the week, that is during next 2-3 days, and during second week, above normal temperatures are likely to prevail along the west coast and some parts of eastern parts of the country, including Bihar, Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and over northern parts of Uttar Pradesh. So this is some summary of today's discussion, of weekly discussion. We will update again with the information of last week during next week, and you are requested to stay connected with us through daily weather video, Facebook, X, and our website mosam.imd.gov.in. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.